Haka jingthu ban kentiu yakirulom kiba im dak rep karyang ka North East Society for Agroecology Support NESFAS kalapli perdai ka mairaw State Agroecology Cooperative Society haka khandai terik nailar ajar pusau kabathmu ban kentiu yakayo kakot ban aimen siam yakin nong shong snong ban sim de kiru komrab ban penne pensa e kamaryang bat ki wedi ki jaikam haka te jingple perdai ka mairam au State Agroecology Cooperative Society lai don lang do ba Arambai Deputy Registrar ka Cooperative Society kumukongsan uba Pius Sani Director NESFAS uba Shaipar Doling Chairperson ka Mairaw State Agroecology Cooperative Society kakong bisikrin marwen dukhat ka Cooperative Society nalor kiwedia haba ajingkan uba Arambai ulong haba lapli perdaya ka Cooperative Society ban kentiu ya karep karyang pat kabam kadi tenrai kid khot ru kidai bandon ka jitli ban penne ya kakenhun ulong ba kamdei bandon ka jingsngu tenat tang habas dang kat ba onraya chakmat kan mi ka jingbam ya sungthu jingmun.
It is indeed a delightful moment for me to be able to come here and to launch this Meramau Cooperative Society. So at the moment, together with the chairperson, we will launch this Cooperative Society. Tehani kapor hi in launch ekne ka newsletter. But kumalong ipi kini kalong kabathamai society. But nakalang jong ka office kajingi jong register cooperative society ngi kwa ban ensure we want to ensure that this society will succeed and we will make it a good start and grow, and as a regulatory authority ngi kwa ban pet bakan society ka ngila ban audit ya ka hakpor ka biang ngila ban supervise ka ngila ban assist ka nang ban society jopi kala ban ya cheprang kadang we kajing ong ben mga oiping anum dabun ktin palan mga ilay kan sibun kike. There is a saying that the starting point might be great and spectacular, but the ending point should be greater. Pikir kita kabudun kam ngi haning istang hoy sotunat ba kike kilong iba sotunat nrai nakawan iba kabasyadin kadi manong kabakam kraw kabakam ba kabakam he ke achievement ke jongpi. But data kada bahang ni in between jong tene ka starting point but kejingak nanti ka japi kum ka cooperative society kamtam kum ka apex level lang ne ka apex body ka jampi ngi ne kanang ka department ka jingi ni ko aban stress ni ba kum ba nadong man right from the beginning. I feel so nice to hear that word again and again, the community members. It's not my Mungkin kami asal kita kitim lepunan kam kan community members ki wedon ang ni ki betray lang ki bawan ki primary level cooperative society ke jampi na ko apa nang kumne. Let us maintain the true community life where each and every member is an important member of the cooperative society. Nama kadon makani kijing pi habang irang islang suatu nak bagi ke ibarat kum ki members. Dan naya lanti tentang kadon kijing ya tentang kijing bamya suatu jumut. Tentang kadon kijing ya hair jumut tentang kadon kijing bamya senya iwe tengi kum ke department kijungi ni ko ban ensure bakani ke democratic setup kijung kani ke cooperative society kijung pi kanong ka bakhan. Hakaba each and every member will have the power to participate haki meetings kijung pi bakum kita ki shareholder dan ki stakeholder kita ka voice bane kren kita ka voice bane penya lang yani ka cooperative society mende ban tentang few members ki ban control the affairs bang pi da kalong kumta tang sipor kening society kala banya ande kita kum ngalai ki baby cooperative society mengadon ka atas department ngalai ki khalam no tang aden ka to kanesin data ang pi the starting point might be great but the ending point has to be greater. Kata di kejing kuat jengin kalian jeng ke department kejing ni.
habatin pej bahagi ki sharp plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F hakajing som Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai kan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shet yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya